All right, and moving on, U.S. President Donald Trump has put the Senate confirmation hearing of Jay Clayton, his nominee for Director of National Intelligence, on hold. Trump said that the process will remain suspended until James McDonald is confirmed as U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York. Now, the hearing for Jay Clayton's nomination was scheduled for Wednesday, and just hours before it was set to begin, the president announced it would not go forward. Clayton currently serves as U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York, one of the most influential federal prosecutor positions in the country. Trump says he does not want Clayton to leave that role until his chosen successor, James McDonald, one of his personal lawyers and a former federal prosecutor, is confirmed by the Senate. Until then, Bill Pulte will continue serving as acting Director of National Intelligence. Now, his appointment has drawn criticism from lawmakers in both parties over his lack of intelligence experience. Trump says Republicans and Democrats had agreed to remove him in exchange for renewing Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act, or FISA. Section 702, which allows surveillance of foreign targets overseas, and expired last week after Congress failed to extend it. Trump argued that confirming Jay Clayton too quickly would remove Pulte from before Congress votes on FISA and suspended the process. Trump has also linked renewal of FISA to passage of his Save America Act, a voting reform bill that would require proof of citizenship and tighter voter identification rules. The president says he will not support extending the surveillance program unless lawmakers approve the measure as well. The president's decision drew sharp criticism from Democrats, who accused Trump of jeopardizing national security by linking the surveillance program to his voting reform agenda.
Over $6 a gallon in some states.
Trump's actions overnight make it clear. The fact that Trump withdrew Jay Clayton should erase anyone's doubts. Trump wants FISA to stay expired. And if he thinks that he is going to save his SAVE Act by attaching it to FISA, he's got something to come. We will never pass the SAVE Act. Never. It is so damaging to our democracy.